Hello everyone. Hope everyone is well, doing good. So let's today make mutton curry. So we are making it in a clay pot. So I'll show you how to cook in a clay pot, and I'm showing the easiest way. So whenever you don't have much time, and as in my earlier video I have told you that you need to have brown onion always. You can store it for at least a month. So this is brown onion, so you can store. So this is the quickest thing for making the gravy. So then so what we need is, I have taken 250 grams of mutton, and the masalas we need is ginger garlic. This is ginger garlic paste. This is little turmeric powder. This is Kashmiri red chili powder. This is coriander powder. This is jeera powder. This is garam masala powder. This is salt, and this is little bit of saffron, which gives a good color. You can even use kesar. And this is shahi jeera, and this is half star anise, or you can take even one. So a few cardamom pods and coriander. So let's start it. So this is the clay pot we have here. We also need oil and a glass of water. So I'm making it in a different way, so that we can make it the gravy curry would be cooked fast, and that too in this in the clay pot. It becomes very tasty. Let's pour the oil. So yes, so we don't need much oil in this, because already clay pot, we have yeah, all it acts as non-stick, because we have been using this. So okay, now we need to add let's turn on the flame. Okay, now to this let us add, once it is hot, let us add the shahi jeera. So you can see the oil. Let's the oil get heat up, and so we can cook this mutton in different styles. We can add tomatoes, we can add yogurt, we can add a paste of tomatoes as well. So there are many different ways, but we are doing it today in a different way. So we are adding the cardamom also. So it is on a high flame. So make sure you use only the wooden spoon. So now the oil is getting heated up. We have added shahi jeera, cardamom, that is elaichi, and now star anise. This gives a good aroma. Now take a mixing bowl. In this bowl we need to add all these powders. So let us add one after other. So this is a Kashmiri red chili paste, because it gives nice color to the mutton curry. So I have added this. And we have added more elaichi, because the cardamom, it gives a nice aroma to the mutton. So in this, you can see it is already heated up. Let's add mutton curry directly. Sorry, the mutton directly into this. Just leave it till it gets sauteed nicely for about 2 to 3 minutes. So as we were talking about this powder, And so let us add some water to this and make a nice paste. So we have added everything here. So we had added chili powder, turmeric powder, saffron, and salt, coriander powder, so jeera, cumin powder, and garam masala powder also. So this is the fastest way to make the mutton curry, and and the tastiest way as well. So this gives a good rich, it gives thickness to the curry. And we are not adding onions here now. Why? Because we'll add at the end, that is we are using the already brown onion. So this should be nicely fried, because the mutton caramelizes here and it gives a good taste to the gravy, to the curry. The gravy, you can see. Just stir it for about a minute. And I want to tell you that in this clay pots, mutton curry tastes very good, and also it cooks fastly. And you can see. So after a minute, we'll add this paste. So this is a kind of Rogan Josh. We are making like a kind of Rogan Josh, mutton Rogan Josh, which is a Kashmiri dish. So now we have added this. Now let us stir it nicely. And this gets cooked for some time. You can see already the red color of Kashmiri red chili powder. It's nicely coming up. And after a minute, we'll add brown onion as well. Let the raw smell of these powders go. Stir it again nicely. Nice aroma is coming up here. So we have brown onion. Just slightly crush it here. And if you want, you can even add the cashew nut paste in this. Even it gives a good gravy. Usually we use this brown onion in biryanis. So whenever I get time, I just make this brown onion and keep it aside, and we can store it at least 15-20 days or a month as well in an airtight container. So now it is nicely crushed. Now you can see how the mutton curry, it's like boiling now. So let us add this. The reason behind showing this video is just to cook to make sure to inspire everyone in making or cook non-veg curries in this clay pots. because it is very healthy. You can see how nicely it is getting cooked. Now we can just stir it. So let's add little water more, because the onion makes the gravy thick. So we are adding little more water. And we have to cover it with the lid for about 20 minutes. So even you can cook the chicken, and chicken cooks very fast in this. And these clay pots are very hygienic for us, so we prefer making in this. Even I can show you that we have made dal curry in the morning today. So this is dal with leafy veggies that we have made. So it tastes very good and it is very healthier. So start cooking in the clay pots, guys. Now it becomes thicker after 20 minutes, and you can add just chopped coriander to this. It's nicely getting cooked. So cover it with the lid for about 5 minutes or 20 minutes. You need to cook it, and the curry becomes very, very tastier and thicker, and it's like mouth watering as well. So of course it's mouth watering. So you can see it is still nicely getting cooked. The gravy is, you can see the fumes are coming up nicely. So guys, this is the curry. So just try making like this curry and have a happy meal at your homes. So hope you all like this video, and you all cook at your homes by inspiring, getting inspired by making the videos like this. So thank you for watching my video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.